Hello everybody, today we are playing a long anticipated game, not by you, by me. See, this game here is the first in this 3-part series called Timesplitters. It is easily the least popular, but the most hardest one of them. It doesn't really have much of a story, you just go through levels and you have simple objectives, but it's really hard. It has that old type of aiming, you know, from GoldenEye where it's like a cursor. It has story and arcade. We're gonna do story mode first. We're gonna do a hard mode. Everything's gonna be hard, so it's probably gonna be like an episode per level, because these can get really difficult, especially this one mansion level. I don't even want to think about it, okay? But I haven't played this game since I was like real small boy. You was thinking about the mansion level. Here we are, first level. There's already an enemy right there. Controls are already in. Yeah. In these games, like every single one, they have inverse look on at the start, okay? We don't got any weapons, so I suppose we have to go from behind. Oh, already got an enemy. Only got 20 bullets. Jeez. Oh my god. This guy is really barraging us here. I feel like there's a better way of doing this. I don't know. I think I'm crouching when I don't want to crouch. I'm getting shot from every direction. I might just need to go in. I might just need to stop hiding behind the corner. Just I am not used to these controls yet. Here's one of the game's biggest flaws, you see. The aiming is, you have to aim with this mouse. Oh, geez, he's right there. What? I'm gonna have to hit him from behind. Let's see if we can do this. Got him. Mike Tyson. Got the blunderbuss. Anyway, you have to move with this one, aim with this one. And this is regular aiming, it doesn't have a crosshair. But you tap this on, then it's just all over the screen. Alright, got it. I didn't know that explode. This one right there. See if we can. Get that Tommy gun. There's like barely any heals and checkpoints too. That's what makes it so hard. There you go. We got that guy. Oh yeah, there is the guy up there. Watch this. Got him. Okay. Now we're up to the door. Let's hope we don't die. We already lost like 75% of our health though. Let's switch to the blunderbuss because I feel like there's going to be closer enemies. Oh wait, we don't even have ammo for that. Oh. We got lucky on the. Oh no. Not lucky. We lost our weapon. See if we can. Boom, Mike Tyson. We got a pistol with 5 ammo. Gotta be pissed around one of these corners, I know. Alright, we got the ammo for the Tommy gun. Oh, you see that? They just come out of nowhere every time. Oh, around the corner. Oh, there's 2 of them on each side. That's not fair. Oh, I'm already so low on ammo. Oh, there's a dude behind there. I got plenty of blunderbuss ammo now. Let's see if we can pop you. No, the blunderbuss sucks, guys. My health is so low. Oh yeah, you can't kill any zombie in this game unless you knock off their head. That's just a little added bonus if it wasn't hard enough already. This game really tests your reaction time. So I know there's gonna be a guy around this corner. My health is essentially nothing right now. And if I die, you start all over. Alright. And you start all over. This game's gonna give me PTSD, I swear. Oh, I didn't know there's two. I even want to look around this corner. I'm too scared. Let me just... So much bullets. You just gotta wait till they come. I'm around the corner. Come here. Oh, they're waiting for me. See, they shoot before you even... Gotta wait until they're done shooting. You see? There's gonna be a lot of dudes around the corner. Let's get ready to blast. Like Jimmy Neutron. Oh, jeez Louise. They have grenades. Health pack. Got him. Oh, 3. 4. Oh! Scarier than any. Okay, I guess these count as zombies too. We got him. We're gonna save that health kit for later. Because I'm not sure how much our health would last right now. A pharaoh with a Tommy gun. Like a big giant maze and you don't know what type of gunner is around the corner. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do, but you'll see, you'll see. Another quirky thing about the bullets, just a little extra thing, they ricochet. That sound is not just a sound, they actually ricochet. Oh my god. Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? At least we got some armor, but still. Alright, just this one now. Got him. It's like if Egypt was in America. Everybody has Tommy guns and blunderbusses. Okay, that key right there, that's what we need to get. We gotta bring it back to the red circle we saw earlier. Oh, there's a guy up there. Pop out at your party. I'm with the gang. Little zombie. I don't think I killed it. Oh, I did. W kill. Oh, no, never mind. I thought that was a gun. I didn't know the zombie just launched stuff. There's more of those things. Remember, we have yet to get a checkpoint yet. Key right there. We don't know what can happen after we grab this key. Hurry up. Let's go back. Try to dodge all these zombies. Jeez, there's so many. I thought there was a health kit in here. I don't know where it's at. I'm booking it. Yes, we got the health kit. See, that's why we needed to save it earlier. My brain is so big. The zombie has a shotgun. I don't know which way to go. Definitely not that way. Hey, let's hit a save real quick. We're already down so much. Okay, this is gonna be heck. I don't think there's any checkpoints. And that is the first level, guys. Like any scary game you can put up to it, nothing really comes close to this. Popping around the corner and not really knowing. You saw I was looking around the corner, this is like PTSD. But yeah, that's the first level for Timesplitters 1. It's just called Timesplitters. The other ones are Timesplitters 2 and Timesplitters Future Perfect. But this one's just Timesplitters. Also, everything you unlock like different like skins, kind of like Fortnite. And this is kind of like Fortnite. Yeah, you unlock different playable characters, arcade levels for each one you complete on hard. But yeah, tell me if you want to see me play any more of Timesplitters, because I definitely want to play more of this game.